As you already know, carousels are our preferred format for publishing content on LinkedIn, since in addition to presenting the content in a very visual way, which helps to reinforce our brand identity and corporate image, they also allow the user to interact more with the content, which favors its distribution. However, posting carousels on LinkedIn is not as easy as doing it on Instagram, where you simply have to post a set of images. So, in this video, I'm going to explain how to post a carousel that you have designed as a set of images on LinkedIn using a free tool.
I'm Xavier Mitjana, and you are on my Build Your Brand channel.
A channel where every week I publish new videos that will help you to improve your online presence and boost your digital marketing strategy. If this type of content interests you, do not hesitate, subscribe.
Publishing carousels on LinkedIn is very simple.
The only thing that LinkedIn asks us to do is that instead of publishing them as independent images, we publish them as a document, either a Word document, a PowerPoint document, or, ideally, a PDF document.
However, what happens when we have already designed an image carousel? For example, because we have published it on Instagram and we want to use it on LinkedIn?
Well, the following happens if we try to publish it as single images.
Let's create a publication. First, we're going to write the text, and when we are going to create the carousel with the pictures, we click on Done.
Apparently, it seems that the carousel has been uploaded well, but when we hit Done, what we see is that LinkedIn will create a publication with this type of mosaic that is quite unpleasant to the eye if it has not been specially designed to work well. So it is not advisable to publish the carousel as a set of single images.
What can we do?
Well, the following.
Before continuing,
Remember that you can download my guide to optimize your LinkedIn profile in 10 easy steps. A free PDF guide that covers all the sections of your profile and explains how to adapt each of them to your specific goals on LinkedIn. And it also includes handy exercises to make it as effective as possible. We can use a free tool called I Love PDF, which is this tool here, which is a 100% online tool that we can use for free.
Here is the link, ilovepdf.com. When you enter this tool, you will see that there is a section that says JPG to PDF. Simply by clicking here, what we will be able to do is to select the JPG images that we want to convert to PDF. Click on Open. Reorder the images if it is necessary.
In this case, it has taken them to me in the correct order. We must also indicate to it that the size of the page is adjusted to the same size of page that the original image. This way it will make us a PDF in perfectly square format.
Here on the right, as you can see in page size. Now click on Convert to PDF, here in the lower right corner. We click to convert to PDF, and then simply click on Download PDF. Save file. OK. And when the file has been downloaded, we have it here. We can see that the file has already been converted to PDF format. And the only thing we'll have to do now is upload it to LinkedIn, and you'll see the difference. We are going to create the PDF post on LinkedIn, and we are going to do exactly the same way, but with a little difference. Now we will upload the PDF file instead of the images. Place the text. Click here on the third icon, where it says Add a Document. We click on Select File and select the file that we have just created. And once we have uploaded it, we would put a title, but as you can see, the format of visualization is already the format of carousel that we want. Click on Done. We have to write a title.
And now we see the preview of the publication with the carousel format already incorporated.
And in this simple way, using the I Love PDF tool, specifically, if we use their JPG to PDF tool, we can convert any carousel we have designed in images into a PDF carousel to publish on LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Don't miss my next video. Your support is essential.
If you found this video useful, interesting, or entertaining, please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on my LinkedIn profile.
Thank you very much. See you in the next video.